Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering what you need: serial, IMEI, proof of purchase, and the account email tied to management. Once done, contact the organization that enrolled the device, IT, or the MDM vendor, and tell them you need removal. Explain why and provide the serial and purchase evidence so they can verify ownership. Make sure to note any enrollment ID and the exact device model. This speeds validation and prevents back and forth while they prepare the removal or unenrollment action. Next, follow the authorized removal path the admin provides. Often they will unenroll the device remotely from the MDM console. Once they confirm, restart and verify the profile is gone. If they issue a temporary admin profile or a removal token, apply it exactly as instructed and reboot after completion. If a factory wipe is required, back up any personal data first and only perform the reset after the administrator has confirmed unenrollment to avoid To finish, confirm the managed profile and restrictions are gone and that you can sign in with your account normally. If the device still shows as managed, escalate. Ask the administrator to open a vendor support case and share the case number and proof of purchase with you. Make sure you distinguish MDM enrollment from manufacturer activation locks. They are handled differently. If all authorized options fail, the vendor or carrier support is the proper next step. Do not attempt unauthorized bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.